Have you ever heard the phrase, take a rain check? Ever wondered where it comes from? The phrase originated in the 1870s from baseball games. If a game was postponed due to rain, spectators were given a rain check, a ticket to a future game. Today, taking a rain check means you're politely declining an offer, but you'd like to accept it at a later time. Here are 3 ways you can use it. 1. I'm sorry, I can't make it to dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check? 2. I'll have to take a rain check on the movie. I have other plans. 3. Thanks for the invite, but I'm swamped with work. Let's take a rain check. So next time you have to turn down an invitation, you know what to say. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next short.